A good teacher is one that really wants to see their students succeed, and they really want to be able to help their students succeed. Here at MedQuest College, we have exactly that. We're able to learn and we're able to talk to our teachers, and if we have any questions or we just don't understand something, they're more than willing to help us. I'll come in 4 days a week, typically about 4 hours of class. It really works with my schedule. We actually learn quite a bit about the body systems, being able to draw your blood, being able to do vital signs. At MedQuest College, they really focus on making sure that we're able to get our certification here in Kentucky. We actually have an entire class dedicated to helping us pass the RMA exam. I haven't passed it yet because I'm still in the class, but I love it, and it really gives me a big refresher on all the information that we learn throughout the year. I love being able to see the people in my class and being able to see my teacher. They really make the rest of my day brighter and better.